Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you a full tutorial of how to draw a realistic nose. For that I am using a 2B, 3B and 8B pencil. I have drawn a very light outline and now I am using a 2B pencil. By observing the light and dark areas, I am shading it with very low pressure. So for getting a smooth effect, I am blending it with a flat brush with very low pressure. Now I am using a 3B pencil and observing the dark areas in the picture and shading them with very low pressure. Now I am again using a flat brush and blending it very lightly. For shading nostrils, I am using an 8B pencil. Here you can apply pressure for shading that. giving a realistic effect, you can shade very lightly with use of 8B pencil in the darker areas. Now blend it with very low pressure with a flat brush. Covering the highlights, you can erase them with normal eraser or you can use a kneaded eraser for that.